Hey everyone, welcome back to HTML for Complete Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add any YouTube video in your HTML website. So how are you going to do it? It's a very simple process. First, you have to open your Sublime text and then you can simply come over here, you can see. And then which video you want to logged in, you just need to open the video and then come over into this share option, and then you just need to click on this embed option. So after clicking on this, you just need to click on start at and click as 0, and then you can simply use show player controls, or you can simply click on enable privacy enhanced mode. You can simply do that, and after that you can simply copy it and then you can simply paste it into this, as you can see, into the coding section, and you can simply save it. And after, if you open this file and if you just refresh it, and as you can see here is your video is rightly linked with the HTML website. So this is how we can simply add any YouTube video into your website in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.